actually.
Yeah.
All right. What's your name?
Lusanda.
Lusanda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So
You
Joey.
know. This can say something.
It's a man.
I'm doing something with her. Let me explain to her. It's a show that I'm doing. You get that and then you go for later.
Okay. And then
So-
when I see anything,
Yeah, where did your
loyal.
Guppy? Guppy ngizoxoxela.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Hey, wena ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I am stuck with my girlfriend there.
Why are you cheating?